Do you know where we're going? Yes, today is New Year. So, we're going to see fireworks in Majaz Park. Friends, many people are coming to see. I'm so excited. So, let's go and watch it. The clouds are here. Oh, brother, water is very nice. There's a light in the water. Yes, Hafik, it's really nice. Brother, what is the circle? They did it because of social distancing. We should only sit in this circle. Hafik, come on. The fireworks will start. Okay, brother. Friends, I enjoy with my friends and brothers. May this year